I'm Jane Lauterbach, and welcome to The Purpose Works. Today we're going to address another question as we have been over the course of the past weeks. And this one is going to be, how do we kind of maintain that sort of pursuit of achievement, but also kind of the opposite side of that, how come we don't really appreciate kind of where we are? And how do we balance our sense of purpose with appreciating that sense of contentment? Can we actually have that sense of feeling complete and whole, but while again striving for more? So really, what is fulfillment? As human beings, it's natural for us to want more and to constantly improve our lives. Yet the desire to motivate us to work hard and achieve our goals can also lead us to feeling a sense of being never satisfied. In fact, only 20% of Americans describe themselves as being truly passionate about their work. What this says to us is that there's a potential disconnect between our pursuit of success and that sense of real, genuine fulfillment. Are we more driven to have more things because of the progress of technology, because of the culture that we're in, that culture of comparison through accessibility, and that the fact that we all have a camera in our pocket and that we can see things that we didn't see before? When we compare ourselves to others, it kind of exasperates that feeling of inadequacy, as we are showing ourselves more and more in these sort of social environments as being perfect versions of everyone else's other lives. As Alain de Botton says, I've learned to stop fantasizing about the perfect job or the perfect relationship because it actually can be an excuse for not living. It's not surprising coming from us too as The Purpose Works, what our research shows and studies by others and the indirect work that we do by helping to find people's purpose and how organizations can ignite their own purpose. That purpose is the foundation of contentment and growth. It connects us to our values, and also in our work, it allows us to find the things that are most challenging and rewarding because we can have a positive impact on others. Often dissatisfaction stems from that lack of purpose, that sense of feeling disconnected from our work, our communities, and not engaging in meaningful activities. Here are a few other facts from those studies. 74% of employees in the U.S. believe that the company culture is the most significant contributing factor to job satisfaction. Companies with high worker satisfaction outperform those with low satisfaction by 202%. So let's just take a moment to underscore that being content also doesn't necessarily mean being lazy, nor is hard work sort of an inherently negative kind of thing. It's often in that hard work that we experience success because we're dedicated and we put in that extra effort for something that we think is important, and we actually achieve it. And we can achieve it individually and, most importantly, as a work team. Hard work is not inherently negative. In fact, it's often how we experience success. As Reid Hoffman has said, far and away the best prize that life has to offer is the chance to work hard at something worth doing. However, it's essential to strike that balance between striving for more and appreciating what we already have. To truly improve our lives and achieve a sense of fulfillment, we must focus on living a life of purpose. By recognizing our unique skills and talent and using them to contribute to something meaningful, and in doing so, it's also important to recognize that we do need to make an income. Here are some tips that can help you find that sense of balance. 1, practicing gratitude. Focus on what you've achieved so far, and certainly express gratitude for those accomplishments. And also share that with other people too. Thank other people too, because it's important that we reflect on these things on a regular basis. Set realistic goals. Instead of aiming for perfection all the time, set goals that can really align with your values and priorities. Break them down into little smaller, actionable, achievable steps, things that you can do every day. And importantly, celebrate the small wins. Don't just wait for the big stuff to come around. Celebrate those small milestones all along the way. The fourth one is really a summary. Enjoy the process. Are you going to have a couple of bad days in between? Absolutely. That's just human nature. But it's just important to enjoy the process that you're going through, not just getting to the destination. While the pursuit of personal achievement can drive us to work hard and improve our lives, it's also important to find that balance and to live by our purpose, appreciate what we already have. By focusing on living a life of purpose, we can foster a greater sense of fulfillment and happiness that is both sustainable and rewarding. If you found this video of value, please share it with others, and we always welcome your comments. Thank you.